Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Chisel and Bits Modpack. It's actually fairly easy. It's even easier than you probably think. So we'll just get right into it. So now we're going to find the Chisel and Bits section. So here it is. So in here we have like a bunch of different little bits, and even if you have other mod packs in here, it still makes the bits of those mod packs as well, which is really good. So I'm going to use this chisel bit with pink hardened clay. So what you can basically do is you can break the ground with your chisel, or you can use the bit that you're using. I was using pink hard clay, and so all I did was I used a pane setting, and then it worked that way. And now you can kind of see that it kind of didn't fill the whole block, so it looks a bit different than what we actually can do in Minecraft already. So if we press Alt on our computer, we can see that there's like types of different kinds of ways you can put the blocks on. So there's all types of these. There's like single bits, lines, planes, drawn regions. There's a bunch of different things you can do. So if we start with a plane, which I was using, you can break like a whole plane or add a plane. Or you could use a single bit and make that little single bit, break that little single bit, or add a little bit on your ground or whatever you're chiseling. You can even chisel other mod blocks as well, which is really good. As you can see here, I'm actually using the plane. I was using the plane to make like little carpets, but it's a bit different than that. Also, I'm using these little single bits to just make like a little bump in the ground, and it looks actually pretty good, like just to show you what this mod can actually do. So what we can basically do is go into Chisel and Bits clipboard. This is where you can see all your creations that you made when you copied them. I'll show you how to copy your creations a bit later, but that's where you can find most of your stuff that you actually made. So if we place this block here, we're going to do something with it. So if we go in our clipboard, I actually made this. It looks like a roof, and we're going to make it with this. So I'm going to place that down here, and this is what it kind of looks like. It looks like kind of like a roof, which I think looks really good because it looks just like a regular roof that you would see on someone's house. So I'm going to show you how to make that. So if you press Alt on your chisel, you can press line, and you can just go diagonally down to the left or right, whatever side you want your roof to be. You just keep going diagonally down. And if you do make a mistake, you can just press Alt again, and you can press undo. Okay, and then what you can do is you can go to connected material, press Alt, and then go to connected material, and then you can go on top, and if you press it down, it will just like take away the parts that you didn't actually chisel. So it kind of looks like that. So that's how you make the house roof. So now we're going to be talking about the positive chisel design. So what you can do is you can search a positive chisel design. If you grab the positive chisel design, put it in your inventory. What you can do is you can actually, this is how you can copy your builds, but first I'm going to actually go to sleep so it's actually daytime. also, if you hold left shift over top of your already written chisel design, you can see what block you actually made. Now I'm going to sleep. So now we're going to talk about how to actually copy this. So we're going to right click this positive chisel design. It's kind of going to light up that piece. And what you can basically do is there's a design on it now. So either you can just do that and then it will replace whatever block you want. Or you could press Alt and put placement and it will actually place the block you're using. You can also press Alt and press Impose. And basically what that means is you can you can make it like a corner piece like what you would usually do in a house if you really need that in your design and you really want that in your design. You can make a corner. So that's what you can do with these chisel modes. I was using a diamond chisel, but you can use diamond, golden, iron, or stone chisel. But right now I'm going to show you how to use this diamond bit saw. We need a crafting table. So when we go into our crafting table, you can put the saw at the top left corner, and then you can add whatever other thing you want underneath, and it actually cuts it in half. Or you can take that and put it on like diagonally, and then it cuts it more. Or if you put all of that, the rest that you got beside it, it even cuts it even more. So now if we want to place these blocks, we can actually use them from our inventory. So it's kind of cool how they can do that, but somehow it will only go in one square sometimes, but most of the time it will actually work. So they kind of look different. You can actually make a full block with this, which is pretty cool. And you can also make two lines like I'm doing right now, but you can use this in many different ways. So yeah, it's very handy. Right here, it's kind of hard to watch, so I'm trying to get that block there, but I actually eventually got it. There's lots of things you can do with the chiseled bits. I'm going to actually write something on the ground, and then I'm going to copy it. Sorry, my computer started glitching here. If we were in survival mode and we had a positive chisel design and we didn't want to make another one, we can just go on our crafting table and put it right in the middle, and it'll actually clear it up. Now we're going to use the empty chisel design, and we're going to use it on my high. And then what we can do is we can press Alt again, and then put placement, and then we can just place it all on the ground, wherever we want. Next up, I'm going to show you how to collect these chisel bits. So I grabbed a chisel tank. And a water bucket. So what we're going to do is we're going to place the tank down, and then we're going to fill the tank with our water bucket. And what we can do is we know that each panel is 16 by 16, which is a lot. So when we chisel it down, it's going to give you a lot of stuff. As you can see, there's a lot of chiseled bits of water, and that's what there supposed to be though. But what's really cool is you can actually use these to build. It's not actually going to run like water, but you can make like a fake waterfall with this. This deer is so cute. But thank you for watching.